Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Study PK. So in this lecture I am going to discuss about the FIA top 33 questions. ये क्वेश्चंस है रिलेटेड टू दी FIA डिपार्टमेंट। ये FIA डिपार्टमेंट के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है। FIA का जो एक्ट है, जो कंप्लीट एक्ट है, वो मैंने ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोड किया हुआ है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम शुरू करते हैं आज का लेक्चर। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दी FIA अकेडमी वाज सेट अप इन विच ईयर। सो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है 1976। 1976 इसका राइट आंसर है। FIA अकेडमी वाज सेट अप इन 1976। इसका जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो इस्लामाबाद में लोकेटेड है। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दी फेडरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी अकेडमी इज हेडेड बाय अ सीनियर ऑफिसर डेजिग्नेटेड एज दी। सो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है कमांडेंट। सो कमांडेंट इसका राइट आंसर है। FIA अकेडमी इज हेडेड बाय अ सीनियर ऑफिसर डेजिग्नेटेड एज द कमांडेंट। Next question is the FIA Academy is concentrating on specialized training programs initiated by the Academy as well as sponsored by its counterpart. So इसका जो right answer है वो है all of these: foreign law enforcement agencies, foreign missions, international organization, ये सब included है। all of these इसका right answer है। Next one is the there are how many sections of the FIA technical branch? So total 3 sections हैं FIA technical branch के। total 3 sections है। option B ये इसका right answer है। Next one is the which are the sections of the FIA technical branch? So questions document section, fingerprint section, chemical analysis section, ये सब included है। all of these ये इसका right answer है। all of these option D। Next question is the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Wing of FIA transferred to NAB National Accountability Bureau on which date? So इसका जो right answer है वो है 16th August 2004 option C ये इसका right answer है। The Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Wing of FIA transferred to NAB on 16th August 2004. Next is the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Wing of FIA have been restored in which year? On which date? So इसका right answer है 24th October 2008 में ये restored हो गया था। तो next is the which wing of FIA is an important part of FIA which deals with organized crimes other than terrorism and human trafficking? So इसका right answer है the anti-corruption wing. The anti-corruption wing deals with the organized crimes other than the terrorism and human trafficking. So next question is the Anti-Corruption Crime Wing is headed by a senior police officer as an additional director general at the headquarters who is responsible for assisting the डायरेक्टर जनरल। सो सबसे ऊपर DG होता है, DG के नीचे एडिशनल डायरेक्टर जनरल होते हैं। सो ये हेड करते हैं डिपार्टमेंट को और ये हेड करता है पूरे FIA को। सो DG अभी जो करंट DG है FIA का वो सनाउल्लाह है। सो ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपको फर्स्ट DG का भी नाम पता होना चाहिए। So next question is the illicit trade of production, supply, distribution and sales of drugs are posing a serious threat to the lives of the innocent citizens and has serious ramifications. Ramifications का मतलब होता है consequences, aftermath, such as the loss of government revenue and tax evasion. Tax evasion का मतलब होता है टैक्स की चोरी। So loss of government revenue and tax evasion ये इसका right answer है। So next question is the increasing instances का मतलब होता है वाकयात of counterfeiting of currency। counterfeiting का मतलब होता है जाली। So counterfeiting of currency, जाली currency in various parts of the country holds serious repercussions for the national economy. Which wing of FIA is responsible to deal with the currency counterfeiting? So इसका जो right answer है वो है FIA Crime Wing. FIA Crime Wing deals with the currency counterfeiting. So next question is the Economic Crime Wing is headed by an additional director general at headquarters to assist the DG. Operational activities of the Economic Crime Wing are governed by the Zonal directors. So zonal directors ये इसका राइट आंसर है, zonal directors. So सबसे पहले है DG, उसके बाद है additional DG and then is the zonal directors. So next question is the which wing of FIA is responsible for investigation of cases pertaining to pilferage of government revenues occurring through evasion of tax duties levied by the फेडरल गवर्नमेंट. सो ये कौन सा विंग है? ये है द इकोनॉमिक क्राइम विंग, ऑप्शन बी ये इसका राइट आंसर है, द इकोनॉमिक क्राइम विंग. Next question is the which wing of FIA investigates into various malpractices and frauds in banking sectors, public sectors, corporations, autonomous and semi-autonomous bodies set up, controlled or administered by the or under the authority of the फेडरल गवर्नमेंट. सो ये कौन सा विंग है? ये भी इकोनॉमिक क्राइम विंग है, ऑप्शन बी इसका राइट आंसर है, इकोनॉमिक क्राइम विंग. Next question is the Immigration and Anti-Human Smuggling Wing of FIA was established on which date? So 9th June 1975 में ये established हुआ Immigration and Anti-Human Smuggling Wing. So option B इसका right answer है. Next is the Anti-Human Smuggling Wing was reactivated and various units were established throughout the country. In which year? So in 2003, option D is the right answer, option D. Next is the which wing of FIA regulates the flow of incoming and outgoing international passengers and prevent human smuggling? So the Immigration and Anti-Human Smuggling, option A is the right answer, option A. Next is the Anti-human trafficking circles, previously called as the passport circles, have been established to deal with the enforcement of laws such as the Immigration Ordinance 1979, Passport Act 1979, Foreign Act 1946, Exit from Pakistan Ordinance 1981, different sections of the Pakistan Penal Code. So ये सब included है. All of these इसका right answer है. All of these. Next question is the FIA technical branch was set up in which year? So it was set up in 1975. Option C is the right answer. Option C. Next is the which branch of FIA is providing scientific assistance to various units of the FIA NAV Islamabad, AJK Police and Railway Police, federal government departments, banks and financial institutions, and the provincial police departments. So yeah, FIA technical branch, option C is the right answer, FIA technical branch. So next question is the which branch of FIA is responsible to provide legal guidance in all administrative and operational matters of the FIA? So ये है legal branch of the FIA. Option D is the right answer, legal branch of the FIA. Next is the Pakistan became member of the ICPC. ICPC का मतलब होता है International Criminal Police Commission in which year? So इसका right answer है 1952. Option C इसका right answer है, option C. Next is the NAB National Central Bureau NCB of Pakistan was created under the new constitution of the ICPO in which year? So 1957 is the right answer, 1957. And National Central Bureau of Pakistan was created under the new constitution of the ICPO in 1957. Next is in which year the Secretary General SEO of Interpol introduced new communication system, namely the X400, to exchange mails electronically amongst all Interpol member states. So कौन किस साल ये establish हुआ? ये हुआ 1990 में. ऑप्शन ए इसका राइट आंसर है, 1990. Next is the NCB Pakistan was connected with X400 system in 1999. Option D is the right answer, 1999. Next is the Academy has been mandated to train and develop new entrants as well as the mid-career official. The FIA is addition to serving as a trustee development resources, addressing the training needs of the other national and provincial law enforcement agency, particularly in the area in which FIA have comparative specialized expertise like the tracking transnational organized crimes, technical and forensic investigations, international law enforcement cooperation. So option D is the right answer. All of these ये सब included हैं. Next is the to identify, arrest and prosecute most wanted terrorists and to become a center of excellence for specialized counter-terrorist investigation. It is a vision of the CTW of the FIA, Counter-Terrorism Wing of FIA. Option D is the right answer. Next question is the which steps taken by the FIA human trafficking. So option A, establishment of anti-trafficking units for investigation of the human trafficking cases. Option B, preparation and updation of the database of human traffickers. Option C, speedy trials of the case registered against human traffickers. And option D, all of these. So all of these is the right answer. Option D. ये सब included हैं. Next is the extremely poor and minor children from Bhavalpur, Raimshah Khan, D.I. Khan, Hyderabad and Sakhar are being smuggled to UAE with the consent of their parents. They are being subjected to the worst kind of human trafficking to serve as the तो इसे क्या कहते हैं? इसे कहते हैं कैमल जॉकीज. ये इसका नाम है. स्मगलिंग ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन with the consent of their parents. So इसका जो right answer option B है camel jockeys. Next is the initially IBMS was deployed as a pilot state in Islamabad as an independent entity after last run of Dash as satisfaction of the IBMS steering committee as mentioned in the duty approved PC1. So 7 days is the right answer after last run of 7 days as the satisfaction of the IBMS steering committee as mentioned in the duty approved PC1. So option C, ये इसका right answer है. Next is the IBMS has replaced the Pisces, PISCES. ये इसका right answer है. Option B, Pisces. So next question is the in 2003, federal government assigned a counter-terrorism role to FIA. Hence, counter-terrorism wing, formerly called the SIG, was formally established in which year? So May 2003 is the right answer. On May 2003. Option A is the right answer. And the last question is the counterterrorism wing officers were provided extensive training and some equipment by the US government anti-terrorism assistance program in the area of. So इसका right answer है all of these. ये सब included हैं जिसमें crime scene analysis शामिल है, cyber terrorism शामिल है and post blast explosive analysis भी शामिल है. So that's all from today lecture. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.